Press the bell icon and never miss any update from What's Up Bollywood. Hello everyone, welcome to What's Up Bollywood. Because of the corona pandemic, there is a cloud of crisis all over the country. Every region seems to be affected by this pandemic. In the entertainment world, many TV shows have come on the verge of closure. Due to the budget, many TV show makers decided to discontinue the serial. The first name in this list is TV serial Shaadi Mubarak. According to some media reports, the show's makers have decided to discontinue the serial in between. Seeing the current situation and the economic situation, the makers of the show have decided to take it off. Due to the lockdown in Mumbai, the show was to be shot in another state, but now it is going off air due to the budget. After Balveer Return had a comeback on television. Balveer Return was launched in the year 2019 September and the show also performed well. But in the midst of all this, shooting of the show was stopped due to corona pandemic, and when the shoot was resumed again, the shooting of Balveer did not start. According to the news, because of corona, Balveer Return is going off air. The TV show Prem Bandhan has also come under the grip of corona. Due to corona, the budget of the show has increased, and according to the rating of the serial is also not good. Given this, the last episode of the show will be telecasted on June 12. Mann Ki Awaaz Pratigya Season 2 is also going off air, and corona is the biggest reason for this. Other than this, the show is also not able to reach the hearts of the viewers, and because of it, the show might go off air soon. Corona's havoc has broken into TV show Teri Ladli Main. The condition is such that it got off air without shooting a climax. It was confirmed by actor Gaurav Vadva. To note, there is a lockdown in Maharashtra, Mumbai till 1st June 2021. Shooting of the TV shows are stopped, and because of this, actors are facing financial crisis, and the makers of the TV show are also facing a lot of loss because of this pandemic and lockdown in the city. Few serials are being shot in another state, but the budget of the serial has increased for the makers. The makers are only giving chance to the serial and actors who are actually working in the eyes of audience, and only spending on those who are bringing rating to the serial. So the TV shows who are not working is going off air. Well, which show you will miss the most? Let us know in the comments below. And for more such updates, keep watching What's Up Bollywood.